It's kind of a big deal. Hello everyone, Bill Nye here. Today, we're gonna dive into something incredibly important, something that affects our health, our families, our communities. We're talking about the medicines we take. Have you ever wondered how we know that a pill is safe and will do its job? Have you ever wondered how we know that a syrup is safe and will do its job? Have you ever wondered how we know that an injection is safe and will do its job? It's not magic, it's science. And a huge part of that science is something called quality. Quality in the pharmaceutical world means making sure every single medicine is made exactly right every single time. It's about consistency, safety, trust. It's a promise from the people who make the medicine to you, the person who needs it. Think of them as your lab report card. So, what exactly are these quality metrics we're talking about? Let's break it down. The word metric is just a fancy science word for a measurement. When you step on a scale, you're measuring your weight. That's a metric. When you use a ruler, you're measuring length. That's another metric. In the pharmaceutical world, quality metrics are specific measurements that tell us how well a company is doing at making safe and effective medicines. They are the vital signs of the manufacturing process. Just like a doctor checks your heart rate and blood pressure, a quality expert checks these metrics to see if the process is healthy. Let's dive into our first key metric, the batch failure rate. First, what's a batch? In pharma, medicines are made in large quantities called batches. Think of it like making a giant pot of soup. One pot is one batch. Every pill or vial from that same batch should be identical. Before a batch can be sent to pharmacies, it must pass a series of strict tests. The batch failure rate is the percentage of batches that don't pass those tests. It shows how often the recipe didn't turn out right. A low batch failure rate is what everyone wants. Our next metric is a fantastic one, right first time, or RFT. This metric measures how often a process or activity is completed successfully on the very first attempt, without any need for corrections, rework, or retesting. Think about doing your math homework. If you solve a problem correctly the first time you try, that's right, first time. If you have to erase your answer and do it again, that's not. In a pharmaceutical plant, there are hundreds of steps in making a medicine. Section 5, metric number 3, product complaints. Listening to the people who matter most. Now, let's talk about a metric that comes from outside the factory walls. Product complaints. This metric tracks the number and type of complaints received from the people who actually use the medicine. Section 6, metric number 4, kappa effectiveness. Fixing problems so they stay fixed. Our final key metric is a bit of a mouthful, but it's super important. Kappa effectiveness. Kappa stands for corrective and preventive action. Now that we've explored some key quality metrics, let's zoom out and look at the big picture. How does this whole system of measurement benefit everyone involved? It creates a powerful, positive feedback loop. So, what does it look like to actually use these metrics on a day-to-day basis? Let's step into the shoes of a quality assurance specialist. Let's call her Dr. Quantum for a day. Her job is like being a detective, constantly looking for clues in the data to solve problems and make things better. Having great quality metrics is one thing, but making them truly powerful requires something more. A great team. Building a culture of quality isn't just the responsibility of the quality assurance department. It's everyone's job, from the person who receives raw materials at the loading dock to the scientist in the lab to the CEO. So there you have it. We've journeyed through the world of pharmaceutical quality metrics. We've seen that they are far more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. They are the heartbeat of a safe and reliable manufacturing process. From the simple but powerful batch failure rate to the forward-looking kappa effectiveness, each metric tells a vital part of the story. They are the tools that scientists, engineers, and manufacturers use to ensure that the medicines we depend on are made to the highest possible standard. It's a testament to the power of measurement and the scientific method. The importance of this cannot be overstated. In a world where supply chains are global and medicines are more complex than ever, having a standardized, data-driven way to measure quality is essential. It builds trust between the companies that make medicines, the regulators who oversee them, and the patients who use them. This system of metrics encourages companies to constantly learn, adapt, and improve. It pushes the entire industry forward, striving for a future where manufacturing errors become increasingly rare, and every patient can have absolute confidence in their treatment. As science and technology continue to advance, so too will the world of quality metrics. We may see new metrics emerge that use artificial intelligence real-time sensor data to predict problems before they even happen. Imagine a system that can analyze thousands of data points per second and alert an operator that a machine needs maintenance an hour before it would have caused a problem. This is the future of Quality 4.0, where data analytics will make the production of medicines safer and more efficient than ever before. The possibilities are truly exciting. Ultimately, the pursuit of quality is a human endeavor. It's about a commitment to excellence, a responsibility to our fellow human beings, and a passion for using science to make the world a better, healthier place. By understanding and using quality metrics, we are all part of that mission. Whether you work in the industry, are a healthcare provider, or are simply a curious citizen, knowing how quality is measured empowers you. It allows us to appreciate the incredible science and dedication that goes into every single pill capsule vial. So let's keep asking questions, keep measuring, and keep improving. Let's change the world, one safe medicine at a time. Thank you for exploring with me.